Crypto Insane back again with another video. But before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, financial dependent or financial consultant. The information I display in my videos are for informational purposes. This is my journey. Anything you decide should be based on your own research. Okay guys, it's been a few weeks, but I'm just going to give you an update on some of the things I'm in and the market as it stands. So here we go. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap. Just having a look at the BTC price now. A couple of weeks ago we was above $10,000, and now we're at the $8,500-600 mark now. We've had a pullback from that sort of level. It was looking good above $10,000 to go upwards, but you know, a lot of things are happening in the market now as we stand. There's a lot of things going on in the world out there. If you follow the news, you must know and look into this coronavirus thing. You know, it's had an impact on some of the markets. It's possible that that's had some impact on the crypto market as well as it stands. So now we're at $8,600, but you know, as you can see, this is a short-term thing. We've got the Bitcoin halving coming up in May, about 2 months away from now. You know, and historically price has gone up after the halving, you know, months after the halving. So you know, we're looking at 2021 for the price to reach all-time high again, and you know, maybe above, but that is on past history that seems to have happened. Not saying that that's going to happen again, but we can only go by what's happened in the past. So yeah, this is how it stands now. We've got Bitcoin dominance at 64%. I think previously, a couple of weeks ago, it was lower than that. We had a little altcoin boom, just a little altcoin, and now we're at 64 on the dominance scene. Market cap is at 245 billion. I believe a few weeks ago we was near 300 billion, if not past 300 billion. And there's much more cryptocurrencies now, 5,167 listed on CoinMarketCap. But yeah, look at these prices. We've got $220 Ethereum. We've got Ripple there. Bitcoin Cash, Stone's Vision, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Tezos, and Chainlink. All of these are having some pullbacks in the last 24 hours. Tron is pulled back quite a lot. Some of these a few weeks ago was much more, but obviously people are taking profits in that. But you know, what we need to look at is the next 2 years now. Market, people that's in this market, if you are, would advise to hold on to your crypto. I'm not selling anything now. If anything, I am trying to accumulate more tokens and coins, you know, because when we get into the thrust of the next, you know, bull market, I think it's going to be big. You know, there's a lot of things happening in the world and the markets now. There's a possible recession that's going to happen this year or next year. We have to see how that impacts these asset classes like Bitcoin. And as you can see, I don't know if you've been following gold. Gold has also gone up recently as well, due to, you know, what's happening in the world with the fear and uncertainty with all this virus thing as well. I mean, yeah, I've got to talk about this virus thing because, you know, a lot of things might happen. You know, you may see some crazy things going on out there. You know, even recently now, people are stocking up on, you know, groceries and stuff like that, running to the shops buying extra hand gel and things like that. because they don't know what's going to happen in the future. And that's where the safe haven assets come into, where you're going to put your money. What's going to happen? We'll just have to see how all that plays out. To be honest, but right now things are not looking good out there in terms of this virus in the real world. But as we see, we've got these digital assets, these cryptocurrencies, which continue to thrive after what's it been now? Bitcoin's been around about 11 years now. We've obviously had gold that's been around for I don't know how much years it's been. So these are the assets classes that I'm looking into, Bitcoin, gold, and things like that. Stock market, not quite sure where that's going to head, to be honest. I mean, this virus thing could have been sort of like a catalyst for the drop. They may use this as an excuse now for why the markets have dropped as well, but there are other things going on right now. But as far as I'm concerned, there's always some kind of catalyst for a recession. Something always kicks it off, and this virus may be it. So right now I do own some stock, but not much. Most of it is in cryptocurrency and gold. So yeah, that's just what I'm currently looking into now in the markets. I mean, let's have a look at some of the charts. Alright, let's move this across now. We're having a look at the market cap, the BTC Dominant graph on trading view. So as we can see, a few weeks ago we had a pullback on the BTC Dominance, which led to some of the altcoins having a little run here. And now BTC is pulling back up now in the dominance, as we can see. But as you can see, everything is in a cycle now. BTC dominance in the long run is in a sort of like uptrend. I mean, things are looking at the moment as an uptrend, but as this cycle goes on, we'll probably get more on the upside in altcoins. And we've got, as we can see now, we're moving back up on the BTC dominance. So some of these altcoins will get hurt as well. Some of the other charts I've been looking into as well is obviously the BTC graph as it stands now. We're looking at the weekly graph. To be honest, as far as I'm concerned, the pullback here is probably kind of healthy, to be honest. We do need some kind of pullback. We can't just keep going up and up and up, above 12,000, 14,000, 16,000 without pullback, because we have to look at some of these indicators as well, the RSI and things like that. We're currently at 50, which is not too bad. So another pullback below, and then maybe some sideways action, and then a movement above, so we can target those all-time high positions again. Will be better. I mean, we're looking at probably 2021 really. Maybe in the next 6 months we see some upside here. Maybe we break 40 to 20,000. After the having took about December sort of time. Maybe we'll go through that parabolic, not parabolic, but break all-time highs, or touch all-time highs in December this year. It's possible. Because if Bitcoin does what it's previously done, then we should be going much higher than where we are now. But there are a lot of factors in a lot of things here. We've got a lot of institutions coming in. We've got the futures market. They're suppressing the price down some of the time. But it's only the whales that are out there really controlling the price of BTC. But yeah, so we have to see now, you know, what actually happens in this in the next few years in Bitcoin. You know, because we've been in a bear market now, you know, since basically 2018. Started going down. We've seen the bottom out of, you know, $3,000. That did seem to be the bottom. And I don't think we're going to get much lower than 6k. I doubt that we'll see lower than 6k again, to be honest. But anything can happen in this market. So yeah, we're looking at the next 18, 19, 20 months, some gains. So yeah, I am stacking up my BTC when I can. And let's have a look at the altcoins, total 2. So this is basically the market cap, which excludes BTC. So as you can see on the altcoins now, we've got up to nearly about 120, just nearly touching 120 billion on the altcoin market, and then we're pulling back now basically. Altcoins having a little rest until, you know, we start the trend again. I mean, in 2017, strong 18 here, this was a major altcoin season where everything was going crazy. It remains again to be seen. Are we going to see this kind of parabolic move again? I believe we will, but the question is when. That's the question. You know, it will definitely be life-changing money again for anyone. But like I said, this market now is changed and is changing. There's a lot going on, a lot of regulation coming in. We just have to see. Maybe there's one more upside to these altcoins, things like that. Okay, let's have a look at something else now. About Neo, quite a lot of Neo. The Neo chart is. We're looking at a weekly graph here. Maybe we should go to daily. As we can see, we're still very low from the nearly $200 mark on Neo. So it's going to take a lot to take this back up to $180 again. It's going to take a lot of parabolica movement, people investing. And the main one I'm just going to look at now is Tron. Now Tron, there are a lot of coins in circulation now, but we have pulled back a lot in the last couple of days from where it was. Yeah, as you can see, we're at 0.026 on Tron, and we're pulled back to 0.015 now. So, you know, profit has been taken again, and we have to look at these moving averages as well. As we can see, on the 1334 moving average, we are below now on the 13, below the 34. Normally, the 13 should be above the 34 to continue to uptrend. But, you know, we're all looking at different time frames here. So, yeah, I mean, I've got some other altcoins as well, which I'm not too concerned about. I did stack up on some Bitcoin Cash as well. I mean, right now it's still, I believe, the gains will come. Not on all of these coins, but in some of these coins, especially BTC, we're going to see hopeful movement in that at the end of the year or the beginning of next year, where the next real cycle comes. I believe the next cycle will come. It's just when this cycle will come, because as I said, this market is still undervalued, and not a lot of people know about this market. A lot of people have been flushed out of this market, or don't actually believe that these prices will go up again. It remains to be seen. as they say in what's happening. But yeah, I mean, this is the market. This is the cryptocurrency market. There's a lot at stake here. We've been around now for 11 years, especially Bitcoin. As they say, it's the mother of all coins. And yeah, you just have to monitor the markets and see, try and make as best as you can with the tools you have in crypto. Do a lot of research, read about the topics, and if you believe in what you believe in, then it will come to fruition, in the future. Okay guys, like I said before, if you like the content, subscribe, please hit the like button, and I will be making more content for you again soon. Peace.